Home point updated.
All right. There it is. Oh my Lord, here it is. It works. There it is. All right, Dad Random here. Now the update on the DJI Neo2. Wow, that lens needs to be cleaned. Holy crap, I just noticed that in the sun. It's got an update for the Apple Watch. And what I wanted to do, I'm not gonna fly the Neo2, but I wanna find out if the Apple Watch receives the, I'm supposed to be able to see the image. Connection failed, check between, yeah, so we're gonna figure this out. Now I know we know the camera works. Now we just want to see if we can get, let's see, connect to mobile app first. So we're going to do that. And what I'm going to do is I will, here, let me just do a little, let's do a quick, let's record the screen. All right, so let's see if the DJI Fly App, now I've turned on the NEO2, and what we want to do is we want to see if if we can get it on our watch. I don't know if this is how useful this is going to be, but we're going to find out. So once we connect to the phone, we'll find out. All right. So it looks like we're connecting. Okay, let's see if it needs any updates. That's good there. Got it. Let's skip that. Skip. So now I'm going to check my watch here. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like.
Home point updated.
All right, there it is. Oh my Lord, here it is. It works. There it is right there. I don't know, can you see that on my watch? I gotcha. All right, use air cap button for takeoff. Oh boy. All right, let's see. So there we are there. Use aircraft. All right, so let me see if I can show you this. So there is my watch right there. Now you can't see anything yet. If you tap on it though, you'll notice that right there is the image coming from the camera. All right, that actually works pretty good. So here's the app. So you first connect up to the DJI app, get everything connected on your phone, and then basically you now have control on your Apple Watch. And it's supposed to have functionality with both the Neo2 and the Neo 1. So hold on here, guys. I know the lighting is horrible in the morning. So really cool. That actually, here we go, gets it there right there. But yeah, that worked out really good. That is a functional. Yeah, there it is right there. That live image right there. Now there's a little bit of lag, and that's expected. It's Bluetooth. So, and you have far, flat. You have options. So follow, far. And then I can do follow, follow left, follow right, follow height. Let's see what else I can do. So that's the follow function. So if I switch it to circle, yep, circle's on here. All right. Man, I am overexposed, aren't I? Sorry,
Here.
camera. So, it's all right. So,
Follow.
yeah. So if I switch it in the app,
3, 2.
let's stop that. We don't want it to launch because my dog Steve. So that I can see how that can be pretty useful. So there you go once again. All right, Dad Random. And the DJI Neo, just another cool thing that it does. And yeah, the Apple Watch connects. Am I going to fly with it today? Not like that. No, probably not. But it just gives you that extra thing. You know, you can put your phone on your belt. I don't know if I would not use my phone though. See, that's the thing. You know, every time these little nifty gadgets get passed to us, it's just we're trying to figure out whether we'll use it or not. Because if I have my phone on, wouldn't I just use my phone instead? So I don't know. All right, DJI Neo 2. DJI Neo 2 constantly surprising us, giving us new here. We can get that. Jamie, do you get that? Can you get that? There we go. Let's get out of the sun. Oh my Lord. Poor camera. I'm sorry you had to work so hard. But yeah, Neo 2 and the app that is now capable of being transferred, information or visual transferred to my watch. So I guess I can't do it now. Let's see. All right, let's go there. I don't have it on now. I'm trying to show you with my watch not on. Let's see if I can get that back connected. There we go. Yep, there it is. We're back. And then it disappeared. So I guess that's kind of an issue. I don't know. I guess when I'm flying, I don't know. Is this just meant to keep us, to just kind of be another shiny object for us to chase? I just don't. I don't know whether to be excited about this or just to tell you that it works, but it does work because right there is the image right there that the drone sees. So we can go ahead and put the drone on the edge so it's looking out into the yard. Right there, use aircraft button for takeoff. So I'd have to use the aircraft, but if I disconnect the phone, you know, so say I put this in my pocket, can I still, yeah, I still have connection to it. Can I change? All right, let's just see. Yep, circle, rocket. All right, there you go. Yeah, they're there. Rocket, spotlight, circle, follow, helix, dolly zoom, there's my master shots, boomerang. So there's all of my ski follow, cycle follow, selfie shot, rocket, droney. So they're all on the watch now. All right. DJI Neo and our Apple Watch. Yes, this is another reason to be in the Apple ecosystem. I know it sounds crazy. You guys are in Android. They'll probably figure this out for Android. I'm surprised they didn't do it earlier. All right, Dad Random. Thank you.